Hi friends, today I'll be teaching you how we can make a basic calculator using Pycharm. So to make this basic calculators, we can simply use if and else statements. If you don't know what if and else statements are, let me tell you that first. So if and else statements are basically statements that specify if a condition is true or false. So to make this calculator project, I will be using variables with if and else statement. So let's get started. So first we'll start creating variables. So my first variable will be number 1. So I will write it as num1. So we have created the first variable. Now we will be creating the variable for the operator. So I will write this as OP. So now I will be creating my last variable of the second number. So I will write this as num2. So we can simply copy paste this and we will be changing this from first to second. So we have created all our variables. Now we will be using if and else statements. So in this project, how we will be using if and else statement would be that if the operator is equals to plus, then the computer will add number 1 to number 2. But if the operator is multiply, then the computer will multiply number 1 and number 2. So first we'll be creating the if statement for plus. Now we have created the if statement for plus. Now we will be creating the if statement for minus. Here we will be using elif. So elif is basically else plus if. We have now created the if statement for division, and our last if statement for the operator would be multiply. Now our last step would be if the operator is neither plus, minus, division or multiplication, then the computer automatically says that it's an invalid operator. So we'll be using else because it's the last statement. So it says invalid operator. True. Please check again. So our code is finished. Now we'll run the program. So my first number would be 10 and I will subtract it and I will write the second number as 38. So minus 28 is the correct answer. Now let's check if the operator is a letter. So let's write 45 and I write H as the operator, and my second number will be 23. So since my operator was not a valid operator, it says invalid operator, please check again. So I believe that you learned from my video. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment section. Thank you.